Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome to my channel. I got a couple of boxes from Nosherie, and I'm going to show them to you what's in there. There's snacks. Nosherie is an app for iPhone and iPad users, and when they're working out all the kinks, it's taking them a while, but they're working on the kinks, and when they get all the kinks worked out at some point down the line, they want to have an app for Android as well. So it's a learning curve for them. It's a learning curve for us as well. I found them a few months ago. I've gotten tons and tons of fabulous snacks. Most of them are very healthy for you, and I'm finding things that are new and exciting. So things that I didn't know existed, you know. So how it's going to work now. Let me read. They sent an email out a few weeks ago, and I've just had a chance to record. It says, as more and more users join Nosherie, we need to evolve and explore ways to better serve our snacking community. With that, we are making two key changes to Nosherie this week. We are increasing the daily streak from 11 days to 14 days. This will help our shipping team keep up with the growth and serve our community better. As we reduce the amount of packages we send out to the wild, we will bring down our carbon footprint and, most importantly, keep Nosherie sustainable in the future. This also means bigger, more exciting sample boxes. We are increasing the number of samples in each box from 4 to 5. With every box you get, you will receive an additional snack to try and review. So this is also the first steps towards a new feature we're working on that will allow you to build your own boxes with samples tailored to your preferences. So please stay tuned. Until then, happy noshing. So as of the time I chose these two boxes, they gave a box. They had names for boxes, and they showed you 4 items. And so you would pick the box. Well, might not have wanted to try everything in the box, but it was already picked for you. So I was happy to try. I'm happy to try new things. I know some people are picky. I'm not picky. I like to try new things. So let's see what I got. And I'm also, after I chose these boxes, I started with the new 14 plan. So I may be like 11 days into it, maybe. And I'm hoping, and I think that they do want to, when they get it, all the kinks worked out. So that takes a while. They do want to start an app for Android. And as soon as I know any information like that, I'll let y'all know. So I don't remember the names of the boxes. This box has 5 things in it. I think this one did say it had a sample or something. This is when you open your box, this is what you see. You see your postcard with the logo Nosherie on it. And it says they want you to share your feedback. They want you to, let them know you got it. And also you need to go into the app and under your samples, tell what you thought about the samples. They ask you a couple questions. It's really cool. And share it on Instagram. It's just fun. And you tag Nosherie, and it's Nosherie App, I believe is what it's called on Instagram. And it's just fun. Oh my goodness, this is fun. I don't remember what this box was called, but this looks like it's all, I was gonna say it's like tasty things. All right, let's see what we got. We've got Kusa tea, a premium instant tea. This is mango green tea. So this is a powder, and you'll put it in just a bottle of water, and it's tea instead of an electrolyte drink or something. So that's really cool. I have had tea sticks before, so I'm excited to have this. This kind of thing I like to leave at work. So I drink water all day long, but sometimes you want something different, especially in the heat and everything. It's very hot here. So I'll be happy to try this at work. That'll be a lot of fun. And then I have a little sample packet of Cholula hot sauce. I love hot sauce. I am a hot sauce lover. So, and when I say that, I don't buy hot sauces, so don't get me wrong. If I go to a Mexican restaurant, I want to put some hot sauce on things. So this is Cholula brand. So that's cool. And then this one had 5, like I said. This one also has this, let's see what, oh, it's lemon lime flavored salt. It's called Twingers. Twingers. That's neat. So this would go great on, some tortillas with Mexican food, or if you're dipping tortilla chips in guacamole or salsa, I think that would be, it goes well with the hot sauce, I think. And then I got this. This is so funny. This cracks me up. I've seen people with these before. This is Bob's Pickle Pops, and it's an original pickle pop. It is the pickle juice in there. And what I'm gonna do with this is put it in the freezer, and then I'll have a frozen pickle pop. I've seen people say these are lots of fun. I personally, people did a challenge with this maybe about a year ago. I never could find these at the store, I don't think. So I'll try it now. I mean, not the second, it has to freeze, you know. And then also in this package is, let me show it to you and then I'll read it. Blake's, these are sunflower seeds. I love sunflower seeds. It's Blake's brand, seed-based, hot and spicy sunflower seeds. So zesty spices, sunflower kernels, and no shells. So it's on-the-go snacking, 8 grams of plant protein. So that sounds really good. And then now let's see what's in my other box. And then I'll take pictures of these too and put them on Instagram, like I said, you know, for you all to do. Now this box has a coupon. It says made from real whole plants. This is Jack and Annie's. I've seen Jack and Annie's on their website, on the app I should say. Whole plants, whole lot of flavor. New frozen whole plant meat alternatives available in 5 delicious varieties. And this is for 1 free product up to $7.49 value. So on here, they have things that look like chicken nuggets. That's all I really can see. Oh, there's some that looks like breakfast sausage. So that is cool. I might send that to a friend that's vegan. I have family that's vegan too. They might enjoy that. And then, so what else is in this box? I have a Better Oats, steel cut oats. This is quick cooking oatmeal with flax seeds. I've had styles like this before. I don't think I've had the Better Oats brand. But what you do is you cut this bag here, and then you pour your hot water in there, and it makes your oats, and then you can use this as your cup, so you don't waste, you know, you don't have to have a bowl, you know, at work or somewhere. So that is nice to have. And this one also has, oh, now this one, whoops, this, instead of the Kusa tea, this is Kusa coffee. This is a cold brew instant tea in a light roast. Well, that's interesting. See, I have the tea from the other box, and this is coffee, okay? And then I have, oh, a Laura bar. They're good. Laura bar, this is a chocolate chip cookie dough. Just 6 real ingredients. These are great for an afternoon snack. This one has 110 calories. So this is not a breakfast bar, but this is more of a snack bar. It is 110 calories, and what else does it say about it? Just 6 real ingredients, non-GMO, all that good stuff. The original real fruit and nut bar. So, you know, she has breakfast bars, the Lara bar that I'm assuming it's someone named Lara, that they're longer, but so this is more of a snack piece, a snack bar. And then also I have Nature's Bakery. I've had something from Nature's Bakery before, and it's good. This is a Baked In's chocolate oat. So this is organic fruits and veggies in every bite. There's fiber, there's whole grain, and it's plant-based. So these are things that I'll have, you know, for snacks or for breakfast. So thank you so much, Nosherie. I'm excited to try all these things. Excited to try all these. I'm going to take some pictures and put them on Instagram if you're interested in seeing them. And y'all, thanks for stopping by and seeing what Nosherie sent me. And I will let you know as I know more about Nosherie. Anytime I hear some changes, I'll let y'all know. Thanks for stopping by, y'all. Count your blessings. Bye-bye.